Alrighty guys, what is going up? I hope you guys are all having a great and fantastic day today. Now in today's episode, we're going to be talking about the Cash App and Acorns investing. Now we're going to be seeing which one's better, the pros and cons of each. We're going to be looking at everything about these brokers and these investing companies. So the very first thing you guys need to understand is you just need to smash that like button. Smash it hard. And don't forget about the Xbox One giveaway. We're going to be doing it this week. How you enter, it's very simple. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, comment done, and then follow my Instagram, and you guys will be entered. So we're going to be announcing it on my Instagram, so I'll check out all my posts. But let's jump into the episode. So for those of you that don't know what the Cash App is, Cash App just recently announced that you can now actually buy and sell stock on it, but before it was just more of like a Venmo type deal where you could just send money to people, receive money, and they had these things called Boost that can give you discounts on local restaurants and local bars and grills, stuff like that they have. And now Acorns, I'm sure you guys have heard of them, whether you've seen an ad for them or you just see them in the finance app store. It was designed where you could pretty much use monthly roundups to invest your money. It does start out with a $5 investment to kind of get the ball rolling on it. It's more of just a beginner-friendly investing platform that kind of manages the money for you. So what are the pros and cons of the Cash App, and what are the pros and cons of Acorns? So let's look at the Cash App first. Now on the Cash App, you get to pick the stocks you want to buy. They have thousands or hundreds of stocks that you guys can choose from. Most of them are blue chip stocks. So these are companies that are gonna, first of all, offer dividends, companies you've heard of, and pretty much companies that are worth billions, if not trillions of dollars. So you guys can actually buy and sell stock right on there, and they make it very easy and really not too confusing to understand. Now you can buy a stock for $1. So you could buy a share of Google, and Google trades at like $1,500. You could buy some Google for $1. They have this thing called partial shares. How it works, it's very simple. It's not too complicated. Is if that's, say you buy Google for $1, you own a partial share, so you might own 0.007 or 0.00001% of a total share. And as you continue to keep investing your money, you slowly build up to own a entire share of that stock. And they still do offer dividends, but the dividends offered are very low, just because if that's, say you have $1 in Facebook and Facebook offers a $1 dividend for the entire stock, and let's say Facebook's $200, you might only get like a penny or two, if that. So obviously with the Cash App, there's not any commissions, there's not any fees, and that is really incredible because a lot of brokers do charge some sort of monthly fee or some sort of commission. So I think that's a very cool thing that they have. Also, the Cash App has a debit card that you can use. So if that's, say someone sends you money for, let's say they bought you a coffee or you bought them a coffee and they sent you $2. Now instead of taking that $2 and putting it back into your bank, you can take that $2, put it towards your future, and kind of get your investing platform rolling. So they do make it very beginner friendly, and there will be a more comprehensive review of that down below. But everything about the Cash App is really cool. The only cons against it are a couple of things. You can't buy penny stock. The execution's kind of slow if you're gonna use it as like a day trading or swing trading type service, but as like a long-term investing, it really works just fine. There is no web-based browser, so you can't go on, check how your performance is doing on your computer. It all has to be mobile-based, and I think that is kind of not the best, but it's not too bad. As compared to Acorns, you do have to start out with $5. And on the Cash App, it's $1. So Acorns, you gotta have more money to invest. Acorns has these things called roundup. If that's, say you buy a coffee for $1.50, they will purchase the actual coffee for $2 on your card, and they will invest that 50 cents into the general stock market. Now on Acorns, you can't really pick what stocks they invest it into. They have more of a managed type investing platform. So if you're a more risky investor or more conservative investor, they have different asset classes that will kind of guide you in the right direction. With Acorns, they do have monthly fees. So they do have a $1 fee, $2 fee, and a $3 fee. So with this $1 fee per month, you get just the basic investing deals. You don't get an IRA account, you just get a basic investment account, and that is $1 a month. Now the $2 a month, you get an IRA account and the investment account, so you can kind of play around with your overall finances, and then you can have something invest for your long-term wealth. Now the $3 a month, you can have a debit card and everything that I just said. You can get all of that, and that is $3 a month. So obviously there is more monthly fees as compared to the Cash App. They do manage everything for you, so you can't really tell them, I want to buy Google, I want to buy Facebook, I want to buy Tesla. They kind of use different assets and kind of pick what stocks work best for you. So my overall thoughts on these two brokers are kind of this. I think the Cash App is great for people who know what they want to invest in. They have a good understanding of how the stock market works, and they just kind of want to see it happen themselves. They want to invest in a specific stock rather than just the broad S&P 500. Now, Acorns is more of someone who has a little less time to look at certain stocks, has less time to kind of look at their finances, but still they want to invest their money. And I think both of these are great. I think both of these are pretty much 4-star products out of 5, because I do obviously think that both of them could use a little help to try to make them 5 stars. Obviously Acorns, if Acorns was free, that would definitely boost it up. And if the Cash App, you could buy different types of stock, and they had options or a different variety of financial products, I think that could help them out too. So I think both of these are great tools. I think you guys should both check them out. If you guys want to get $5 for both of these, there'll be a link down below, so you guys can get $5 for the Cash App and then $5 to invest into Acorns. So that is it though. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode, and if you did, drop a subscribe down below. And don't forget the Xbox One giveaway. Remember, always stay happy, stay positive, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Take care and have a good one. Peace out. Bye.